Welcome to Joyrider's London Route of the Week. This week we are going from Leyton Jubilee Park to Hollow Pond. This is a beginner's plus ride, so it's great if you just started riding on the road. It's also suitable to ride with a little bit older children. Watch out for traffic when crossing Church Road. This is a one-way road for cars, so just be aware of it. And indicate before turning so that other road users know what you're planning to do. When you cycle in quiet residential areas, always make sure you stay in primary position. This is one car door length and a little bit more away from the parked cars. This is the safest position to ride in. You can stop in the middle lane until it's safe to go. This junction can be very busy, so really watch out before crossing. And this bit of the road has a lot of bumps, so be very cautious when riding down. You don't want to get stuck in a pothole. Be cautious on the gravel path when using your brakes. This is a shared path for pedestrians and cyclists, which means that pedestrians always do have priority. Enjoy your time at Hollow Pond. Now cross the road at the traffic light. When crossing here, be especially careful as emergency vehicles use this entrance often. watch out when going behind a large vehicle. Make sure the driver sees you first before attempting to go behind it. Again, wait for traffic to pass, then take the middle of the lane and cross. If there's traffic coming from the other side, you can wait in the middle of the lane. Again, watch the speed humps here. And welcome back to Leyton Jubilee Park. Thanks for watching.